Alma of the Airwaves, Lucky of the Orange Couch. It is Monday. It is 18th of January. And I have a beautiful video for you. In the morning, there was this boat in the lake. And I videotaped them and finally, when I asked them what they're doing, my battery died. So you don't hear the response. In Search of Summerland, 2021. Okay, getting there. Please watch the movie. It's called Summerland. It's about World War II. Beautiful movie, beautiful acting. So that's my recommendation for the day as far as Netflix is concerned. Enjoy your day. Watch the video, and we'll see you about tomorrow. Tomorrow is Tuesday.